Hey you guys, I'm back. Everything is done now, so I'm about to show you my finished product. I have some hair to do later on, and then later on, that I'm gonna have to wash my hair. Okay, so I'm about to get started and just fix me something small to eat until I have to do hair. Okay, so and I'm gonna show you my plate, you guys. I made some candy yams. Can you all see the candy yam? Maybe I need to, yep, whoop. And stuff slick all over the bowl. It's hot. Okay. This is my spaghetti from yesterday. It's a lot of graduations this time of year. Actually coming up, my son graduated college May 5th. So I will be bringing some footage of that. Then I have two more friends. They children are graduating high school. So gonna be busy, busy, busy. I think I'm gonna eat me just one chicken wing for now. One chicken wing. I don't want to get too full, you get sleepy. So I'm gonna try to show you this, guys. Can you all see that? That's my one little chicken wing here. See how it looks so juicy and tender? Stuff smash. So you get in the meat. Tender, tender. Look at that. And just like my little candy yam. And here's my spaghetti from yesterday. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start eating. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to eat my food and sit down before my day really gets started. And I thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye for now.